Okay, guys, you're all welcome back. Today, too, we are going to talk about these free browsing tricks. Yeah, how to get free internet browsing. Before this, in our previous video, we talked about using some app called Outline to get free internet connections. Some of you made a lot of comments because you miss up this today because of you people that purposely coming with this video. This app that I'm showing you, and then what I'll be teaching you here is to just use, mashup WhatsApp data. Mashup WhatsApp data. If you don't know how to get mashup WhatsApp data, you can check in our videos. We made a video named how to get 1k gigabyte with only one CD, 40 pesos, and that video can help you get I will even leave the link in the description. That video can help you get 1k 1 gigabyte, rather 1 gigabyte data bundle with only one CD. And that data bundle that the one CD will give you is for only WhatsApp. So this app will help you use this bundle to go to any website of your choice. You can use it to like watch YouTube videos and any website of your choice. This time we're going to mainly base on how to browse and save data. Note that we don't have any permission for you to use it in your location. So anything that you are doing, we are only doing it for educational purpose. And anything that your government policy or your network company might have, no, anything that you might cause them might be your own cup of tea. We can't help you out. You Okay, let's just go straight. Just download this app. We can all see the app, the name of the app. If possible, I might leave a link to. I don't know whether it's out on what do we call it, Apple Store, but this is for Android users. If you are able to get it on your Apple Store too, okay, then that is good. You need to follow some settings. So your first thing is the mashup data bundle. Take note, mashup data bundle. Don't forget that we'll be updating you daily. We'll be updating you daily. So it is advisable to join our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp group, which I will leave the link in the description of the video. If you face any problem and you join any of these, we can assist you get these services for free. So just download the app and open it. Just open the app. So you need the mashup data bundle to start using this app. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to do other things, but this video is for MTN users. So if you are not using MTN, I'm sorry, you can try, all right, but I can't best tell if you can use it. So when you open it, there are three things you do in this app. The first one is to select the first server to be a name of a country. You see that my own has been selected already, Germany too. It's not only this server that works. Depending on your location, France and other countries can also work for you. To get more details, be in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, this YouTube channel, because we'll be giving you any updates about it. As soon as the telecom communications get to know about these things, they can start blocking them. And we will be able to get you new tricks. So just click on this first bottom and look for Germany too, as it has been selected, or France. Like I said, you can also use France. Other countries might also work. I'm going to use Germany and locate MTN mashup bundle. Locate MTN mashup. No, like I said, first it was free, MTN unlimited, but you can see that this server is no more working. So that time, some of you, we told you that there are tricks that you can use to browse free. Some of you thought it was scam and all those things. So the network company got to know about it, and that server is not working again. Now the available ones are these ones. Those in Ghana should choose this. Those outside Ghana, if you think Ghana own will not work for you, just locate your country and try any of the service. You can choose Germany too, and then the second bottom you try any of them until you get the one that will work for you. After selecting these two things, you now click on the start button and read from here. You can see something like this. My own is connecting and disconnecting. I forgot to switch it from the Vodafone to MTN. So currently I'm using Vodafone. I can't connect. Let me change to MTN SIM 1. You can all see there that is now MTN. When your data is off, the app will. Okay, so let's go. Let's click on start. I don't really know if I have mashup bundle. I'm sure I don't have some, but after that, I'll just pause the video and get some mashup bundle fast and continue. Okay, so now I have some mashup bundle. Yeah, I have some mashup bundle. I will just click on the start button again for you to see. Oh, let's wait and see if it connects. Okay, let's. If your own do same like this, what you need is to check the server. I will choose France and let's see. Okay, the data connection, the network connection is not stable. That was why I was using the Vodafone. I have some other ways I can use the Vodafone to browse free. That was why I was using the Vodafone. But for the purpose of the training, I want to use MTN to clarify all of you. Let's hold on as we see it connects. You can see that as soon as my network connection came, it has been connected. We can all see it here, connected. And when it connects, you can just check top here, your notification bar. You see it there that has been connected, and there will be some key in on top of your phone. There will just be some key. You can see it reading. That means it has been connected successful. You need to go back and click on minimize. Please don't click on exit. Minimize it. But don't forget that we will be giving you updates. So just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. You can join any of our WhatsApp group. We also suggest that if you like the video, just click on the like button and also give us some nice comment so that it will keep us giving you more entertaining and useful things. This channel is just for tech and other things. So just stay tuned. You will enjoy from us. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.